Hello students, I am Kavita ma'am and today we are going to learn our next topic, that is subtraction of integers. In our previous video already we learned the introduction of integers and addition of integers. Okay, if you not watch that videos, in description I gave link, just please watch it. Okay, means you will get idea, because addition and subtraction little bit same only. Now before starting subtraction of integer, it is a request that please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It means you will get new videos. Okay, and very important, because now I am going to make basic maths video. Okay, means that is very important, you know that. Now listen. First we will start our subtraction of integers. Okay, this you know students that integer lesson or integer topic is very important for all classes. Okay, so please, if you know the integer, if you understand integer properly, then automatically your maths will be perfect. Okay, so we will start. Okay, now let's start subtraction of integer. See, as I told you, addition and subtraction same rules are there. Okay, these two rules are same for addition and subtraction, so please by heart this rule, please remember these rules. Okay, and only third rule is different in subtraction. Okay, so see, what is our first rule? First rule is what? If same sign is there, means if two number having same sign, so what we have to do? We have to add that integer. Whether the question is subtract the integer, then too we have to add the integer if that both number having same sign. Okay, now and for answer we have to give big number sign. Okay, always remember this rule. Now if different sign is there, it means what? If the two numbers having different sign, one is positive and one is negative, then what we have to do? We have to subtract that two numbers, or we have to subtract the two integers. Why? Because they are having different sign. And for answer we have to give big number sign. Same. Now see, always these same rules are there for addition. Okay, so please by heart these rules. Okay, if you will understand this rule, if you by heart this rule, integers are very easy for you. So please by heart these two rules. Now third rule is little bit different from the addition. Okay, in addition this third rule is not there. See, what is this third rule? Actually I have made only this third rule, because what happened now, many students are, see, remember always that sign they are remembering, minus, plus, like this multiplication. So better for understanding, see, I am always telling to my students that please remember this third rule while subtracting. Okay, now see, if outer bracket negative sign is there, okay, then change inside bracket sign. Okay, it means by solving examples you will understand why I gave this third rule. Okay students, so let's start our first example. Now see, first example is what? 7 minus, okay, 7 minus 3. Okay, purposely I gave this bracket for 3 because I want to tell you that 3 is positive. Okay, now see, 7 minus 3. Now always remember, see, 7 minus 3 means, say, minus means this subtraction sign is there. Now inside bracket what? Positive sign is there. Okay, so what I told you, if outside bracket negative sign is there, means if subtraction is there, then we have to change inside sign. It means what? Now see, 7, okay, 7, now positive 3 is there. Okay, inside bracket sign is not there, means it is positive 3. Okay, so it will become what? Negative 3. Why? Because outside bracket minus sign is there. Always remember students, whenever outside bracket minus sign is there, then change inside bracket sign. So now minus, see, plus 3 is there, it will become minus 3. Okay, no need to write this now negative sign. Now 7 minus 3. Now see, both number having different signs. 7 is positive and 3 is negative. It means what? We have to do the subtraction because different sign is there. Now 7 minus 3, it is what? 4. And big number sign means 7 is big and 7 is positive sign, so for positive sign for answer. Or if you will not give positive sign, then also okay, but negative sign is necessary, I told you. Now here is also same. See, here minus 7. Okay, minus 7 as it is I am writing. Now see, inside bracket positive 3 is there. Okay, and outside bracket negative sign is there. Okay, so I told you that if outside bracket negative sign is there, so inside sign will change. So positive 3, it will become negative 3. Now see, both number having same sign. 7 having negative sign and 3 also having negative sign. Now same sign is there, then what is our rule? If same sign is there, then we have to add that numbers. So see, what will be our answer? 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, and same sign to answer or big number sign. 7 having negative sign. 7 is big and 7 having negative sign. So minus sign to answer or negative sign to that answer. Understand what I done here? Outside bracket, see, negative sign is there. So inside number will change. Positive 3 will become negative 3. So both number having same sign. See, same numbers are there, but because of only sign here, positive 7 was there and here negative 7. So answer change. Okay, always remember I told you that in maths, if number or sign change, then whole answer will change. So please remember always while solving maths, be careful about your sign. Okay. Now, see here, negative 7. Okay. Now see, negative 7 minus negative 3 means from negative 7 we have to subtract negative 3. Now what we have to do for that? Now see, as I told you, minus 7 as it is, you have to write minus 7. Okay, or negative 7. Now, outside of bracket, what I told you, see, outside of bracket, negative sign is there. So, inside sign will change. So, what happens? See, minus 3, it will become what? Plus 3. Okay, means negative 3 will become plus 3. Why? Because outside of bracket, negative sign is there. So, inside sign will change. Negative 3 will become positive 3. Now, see here, minus 7 and plus 3 means both number having different signs. 7 having negative sign, 3 having positive sign. Now if different sign is there, then what we have to do? We have to subtract that number. Okay, 7 minus 3, it is 4. And what we have to do? Big number sign to answer. Means big number is what? 7. 7 having negative sign. So negative sign for answer. See students, what I done here? Minus 7 as it is minus 7 you have to write now. Okay. See, out of bracket negative sign is there. So this minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay, means always remember whenever negative sign is there out of bracket, then inside sign you can change. Okay, so minus 3 will become plus 3. Now both number having different sign. So we have to subtract that number and we have to give big number sign. So 7 minus 3, 4. And big number is 7 having negative sign. So negative sign for answer. Understand? Now see, 3 digit I took, 3 numbers I took here. See now, 3 minus 7. Okay, now same here we have to use. Now see, 3 as it is 3 I am writing here. Now outside of bracket what? Negative sign is there. So inside sign will change. This minus 7 will become plus 7. Okay, now this third number also we will take downside. Now see here, minus 4 is plus negative 4. But now here outside of bracket what? Positive sign is there. So inside side will not change. Inside sign as it is you have to write. Mean minus 4 you have to write as it is minus 4. Why? Because see, this rule, while changing that sign, this rule is for only when the negative sign is there outside, when subtraction sign is there outside of bracket. Okay, now here positive sign is there, so inside sign will not change. This minus 4 you have to write as it is. Okay, now for these two numbers we will do. Okay, see 3 plus 7. Now both number having same sign. 3 not have sign means it is positive. Okay, so positive 3, positive 7. Both number having same sign, so we have to do addition. Okay, 3 plus 7 here 10 and big number sign. 7 is big. So 7 having positive sign, so positive. Okay, I told you positive sign is not necessary. If you not write then also okay. But negative sign, it's must. Okay, so now negative 4 we will take downside. Now see, 10 is positive and 4 is negative. Means both number are different sign. If different sign is there, then we have to subtract that number. Okay, so 10 minus 4 it is 6. And big number sign. Now 10 is big. Okay, so big number having positive sign. So positive sign for answer. See what I done here. Once again I am explaining this. See here. 3 as it is I wrote 3. Okay, now out of bracket negative sign is there, so inside sign will change and no need to write afterwards this negatives. Okay, subtraction sign no need to write. First now see, after changing the sign. Okay, so minus 7 it will become plus 7. Now plus minus 4 is there, plus this negative 4 is there. Now see, out of bracket here plus sign is there, so no need to change your sign. Okay, so minus 4 or negative 4 write as it is. Okay, negative 4. Now this first two number we have to do addition. Now see, 3 plus 7. Okay, now both number having same sign. Both number are positive. So 7 plus 3, 10. And big number sign means positive sign I gave here. Now minus 4 as it is, and negative 4 as it is. Now 10 minus 4. It means what? Both number having different sign. 10 is positive, 4 is negative. It means what? We have to do the subtraction. So 10 minus 4 it is plus 6. Okay, why? Because 10 having positive sign. So big number sign we are giving to answer. Students, understand this subtraction of integer. See students, addition and subtraction of integer are very important. Because what happens, students are solving all the equations, even 9-10 students also, they are solving all equations, all examples, but what happened, because of that sign only they are losing their marks in maths. So this integer lesson is very important. So please just by heart these 2 rules or these 3 rules, you will get proper integers these examples. Okay, so you can solve that proper integers example. So always remember what are the rules, that whenever same sign, see these 2 rules are same for addition and subtraction. Okay, what if same sign are there, means if both number having same sign, then we have to add that number and we have to give big number sign to answer, and if they are having different sign, then we have to subtract that number and we have to give big number sign. Okay students, thank you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, then you will get next multiplication of integer. Okay, bye students.